Now we will practice some questions based on equivalent rational numbers. You can see these four rational numbers are equivalent, but these are incomplete. You have to find the values of these numbers. But these are all equivalent to minus 2 by 3. So let's take first and second rational number. That is minus 2 by 3 and dash by 6. So you need to find that value of this dash. Okay. Now you can do it directly or by taking the value which you are going to find as x. Clear? How can you do it directly? You know what is the relation between the denominator? The denominator is multiple of 2. Means when you multiply 3 by 2, you will get 6. So you have to multiply numerator as well by 2. Then minus 2 into 2, the answer will be minus 4. You can do directly. Or you can take it as x. And now by cross multiplication, find the value of x. 3 multiplied by x minus 2 multiplied by 6. Now here, for finding the value of x, you have to shift 3 towards right hand side. So minus 2 multiplied by 6, 3 will be divided because it is multiplied by x. When you shift it towards right hand side, it will be divided. Now 3 to 6, it will minus 4. Even verbally, the answer was minus 4. Clear? Now, its value is minus 4. Now, we can take first and third rational number, that is minus 2 by 3 and dash upon minus 12. If you do directly, sometime there might be mistake of sign. So, instead of doing directly, take the value as any variable which you are going to find. Like you can take here x or y. That is your wish. Now cross multiply. 3 multiplied by x is equal to minus 2 into minus 12. Now 3 into x is equal to 24. When you multiply 12 by 2, that is 24, and in multiplication both are of same sign, so it will be 24. Now x, you have to shift 3 towards right hand side, so it will be 8. Clear? So the value of this fill up will be 8. Now we are left with our last fill up, that is 18 upon dash. Now we can equate first rational number and the last rational number, and we can take it as x, y, z, any variable. Now this time I am taking y. Now cross multiply. Minus 2 into y is equal to 18 into 3. When you multiply 18 into 3, what will you get? 54. Then y will be 54 divided by minus 2. Then you will get minus 27. So in this way, you will get minus 27. Is that clear? So for finding the fill up in case of equivalent rational number, you can find directly by observing the first relation between the numerator and denominator, or you can do it by assuming any variable. Is that clear?